discuss bread and butter, enlarging the economy, reducing the debt, improving services, cleaning Nairobi, security. When are we going to discuss it? Election. Were we born and bred for elections in Kenya? Please.
So, Senator Kilonzo, on the same tune that Weda has, the fact that we don't have a specific agenda or a specific question with the question of referendum, different individuals, different parties want different things. First of all, do you think senatorial position should be removed?
The way you're asking the question and blinking, it looks like the question is loaded. Let me begin by saying that I still think, just like the good lady, that we have started the referendum issue from the wrong point. It means that we have politicized it without a real agenda and without a real issue on the table.
And there's no question. If we were to go on referendum tomorrow, we do not know exactly what we're voting for.
No, there's no referendum question. Everybody has got their own thing that they have in their mind about what they think should be amended. Senator Cheriot thinks you should reduce counties. Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga has got his own view. Others have got, Kamket has got their own view. So how do we go about this? I've said that we have failed in the system because out there in the public platforms, people are saying, oh, we're not going to give you seats. You don't even know what seats they're talking about. The point is, the Building Bridges Initiative committee has taken too long to consummate the handshake, if I may use that word. So, yes, they should have by now, and they begin on October 23rd, try to consolidate the thoughts. When we actually get to a referendum, if we ever do, and maybe we should, there shouldn't be 5 questions on the table. There should be 2 questions or 1 question. And the question of debt is software issues. That's not a big issue. It's a small little issue. We should park it somewhere in a corner and deal with it at a later date.
Speaking of positions, women rep senatorial position, do you think they should be scrapped?
No, you cannot. No, we negotiated the question of, and in this one I must declare my interest because I'm a special rapporteur for the IPU Parliament on parity question. In Rwanda, they're at 64% on gender representation.
Ethiopia as well recently, yesterday.
Yes, in the Nordic countries, they are over 50%. There's never a question on gender parity. We are still dealing with the floor, not even a ceiling. 30% is the floor. We have not even gotten to the ceiling. We are at 19% of representation. So the women reps was a solution, part solution of dealing with the question, the issue that there must be a third gender in the question of representation. So it's possible, and they've used this famous phrase, you call a dog a bad name and then kill it. So women reps are the problem. The reason why you don't have food on your table is because you have women reps. It cannot work like that. We must deal with the real question. The question of expense, the executive has 12%. Parliament has 2% of the total budget. So that really is not a question of money. It's a question that the people who want to expand the executive want to expand from 12% to 15% and then reduce 2%. The Senate, all over the world, where you have a devolved structure, you have an upper chamber.
So you don't think senatorial position should be scrapped?
No, let me explain so that then I can answer your question directly. At the independence, the only way we dealt with Majimbo was to say, why do we need an upper chamber? We scrapped the chamber, moved to central government. The way National Assembly has conducted itself in the last few days begs the question as to whether they can be the true defenders of devolution given the opportunity. Because they deducted money going to counties by 9.8 billion shillings. And negotiated with national government to let the Constituency Development Fund remain intact as it is. So, please, Kenyans, this question I pose to you, who will be the ultimate protector of the devolution and roads and